Moz, one of the very famous tool which is right now being used to identify the SEO ranking of the website. The parameters which are being used in Moz tool are PA and DA. PA stands for page authority and DA stands for domain authority. Earlier, the ranking which was being used or the parameter which was being used to judge the ranking of the website was Alexa. Nowadays, people more of trust on the Moz toolbar, the ranking which they are giving. Based on that only, they judge what is the website's actual value on the search engine. Now, if I talk about page authority and domain authority, page authority is a metric developed by SEO Moz to predict the ability for a specific page to rank in a search engine. Page authority uses 0 to 100 logarithmic scale. A higher page authority score means your page has a potential to rank well in search result. With the help of higher page authority, we even trust those web pages to create our backlinks. In off-page SEO, we usually use to create the backlink from those pages which are having higher page authority as well as domain authority. So now, what is a domain authority? Domain authority is a search engine ranking score developed by Moz that predicts how well the website will rank on the search engine result page, that is SERP. A domain authority also scores rank between 0 to 100. The higher the domain authority of the website, higher is the rank of the DA. Let us now discuss the factors which helps in increasing the page authority of a website. The first factor is create fresh content. With the help of fresh content, the website or the Google crawlers are able to know that this website is having a new or a plagiarism-free content, which helps in giving a better weightage to the content. As a result, it helps in ranking higher in the search interface. The second factor is having high number of external and internal links. With the help of higher external and internal links, the user, if a user is coming down on a page, he gets engaged with the content. If I take an example, Wikipedia, almost every third to fourth word is a hyperlink to one of the another result which is present on the same website. Now, with the help of internal link or higher internal link, the people are engaged with the content and they spend a huge amount of time on the same domain. As a result of higher duration of time which they are spending on the website, the content is being ranked higher on the search result because the people are engaged for a higher duration. And Google treats that because the content is being used or the people are preferring for a higher duration, it means the quality and the quantity whatever is written on that page is very good. So ideally we should have a good amount of internal as well as external links. The third factor which plays a role in increasing the PA is using of images. With the higher images on our website, it creates a good amount of impact. It may sound little different or it may sound little weird that how an image can help in increasing the rank. But Google always prefers rich text. A rich text means a text which is accompanied with some images, some videos or some forum or some kind of questionnaires which is present on that content. With the help of a rich text, the Google also treats that text as a good or a quality content, and with a quality content, a website can rank very easily in the higher ranking of the SERP. These were the basic points which are basically used to increase the domain authority of a website.